What are the characteristics of international law? The international legal system is decentralized and based on consensus. In the absence of a global parliament, international law is created mainly in two ways, through state practice and international agreements. Once international rules are established, they become legally binding and cannot be changed unilaterally by one state. The lack of strong law enforcement is one of the weaknesses of international law, as there is no global police force, nor is there an international court with obligatory jurisdiction. However, if international law is broken, victim states might respond individually or collectively by using a variety of countermeasures. For example, a state can terminate or suspend a treaty, freeze the violating state's assets, and impose sanctions if necessary. Powerful states can also use the United Nations Security Council to apply economic sanctions, or even launch military intervention on rogue states. As international law was born out of states' need to coexist and to promote peace and harmonization, the function of reciprocity and equality is critical in international relations, as it is in a state's interest to cooperate and to respect the sovereignty of each other's in exchange for their respecting its own.